Want to get more views on your videos or more visitors to your website? The secret is targeting the right keywords. In this video, I'll show you how to use a free trial of SEMrush, a powerful tool for digital marketers to find keywords that are easy to rank for, meaning more people will find your content. Let's dive in. First, sign up for a free trial of SEMrush using the link in the description below, or type semrush.com into the address bar at the top of your browser. Now, scroll to the bottom of the page for your 7-day free trial. Once you're logged in, go to the Keyword Magic tool. This is where we'll find those perfect keywords. Let's say you're creating content about digital marketing for beginners. Type that into the search bar and hit enter. SEMrush will show you a ton of related keywords, but we want to find the easy ones to rank for. Here's the trick. Use the filters. Click on Keyword Difficulty and set it to Very Easy or Easy. This will filter out the super competitive keywords. You can also filter by search volume. That's how many people are searching for that keyword each month. I like to look for keywords with at least a few hundred searches, but you can adjust this based on your needs. Now, check out these results. These keywords are much easier to rank for. You'll see that they're often longer, more specific phrases. That's actually great because they attract a more targeted audience. If you click on a keyword, SEMrush will show you even more details, like who's currently ranking for it. This helps you understand the competition. And that's it. Now you know how to find easy-to-rank keywords using SEMrush's free trial. Use these keywords in your content titles, descriptions, and tags to get more traffic and grow your online presence. Don't forget to grab your free SEMrush trial using the link in the description below, or type semrush.com into the address bar at the top of your browser. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Smart Digital Profits, and hit that notification bell for more online money-making tips.